Alright, people, we have a vending machine that has all of these kinds of drinks like lemonade, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, any kinds of Cokes. I'm just going to get the lemonade and get them one. I'm going to do 56. This vending machine's $1.75. So I'm going to. Yeah. If you like my channel, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave us cool comments. We're going to get number 55. And that gives me my quarter. So please make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave me some cool comments. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.